In this question, we're asked which unit of measurement is used to indicate the hard drive speed. Well, what are hard drives or hard disk drives or HDDs? Hard drives are a little, I think it's like 3.5 inches, right? It's this big. They're in your computers, and all it is essentially a disk spinning, a platter spinning, and then you have a little needle that reads the data off that. Pretty much how hard drives work. So what unit of measurement is used to indicate the speed of the hard drive? Well, remember, it's a hard disk drive. There's a disk in it that's constantly spinning, and there's a needle that's reading the data off of it. So there's no pages. It's not pages per minute. It's not gigabytes, because gigabytes is more of a form of how we would measure how much space is on that hard drive, not indication of the writing speed or reading speed. So what else is there? Clusters per minute? That's not right. It has to be revolutions per minute. And the reason why it's revolutions per minute is because it is a disk, circular disk drive, constantly spinning, high rate of speed. So we're counting the revolutions per minute, the revolutions that take to go around. So the revolutions per minute is the unit of measurement used to indicate hard drive speed. But let me know in the comments below if you use hard drives or you use SSDs. I have always used SSDs in my personal computers, not hard drives. Well, the first laptop I had that my mother actually bought me from Costco had a hard drive in it, and I immediately replaced it with an SSD, even when I knew very little about computers. For me, SSDs are the way to go. That's just me.